Have you ever wondered why your car loses power on hills or suddenly starts missing while driving? In today's video, we'll show you a real case we received at our workshop. This 2005 Toyota Corolla came in with a complaint that it was missing on uphill and could not climb properly. When we checked the fuel pressure, it was only 20 psi. For this model, the normal range should be around 44 to 50 psi, so the fuel supply was clearly too weak. We opened the fuel pump, inspected it carefully, and replaced it with a new one. After replacement, the fuel pressure returned to normal, and the car performed smoothly again. Remember, if your fuel pump is faulty, your car can face many issues. Hard starting, engine misfire, poor acceleration, loss of power, and even stalling on the road. That's why a healthy fuel pump is essential for safe and reliable driving.